Alright, so we're rocking a new camera tonight. The old camera. This one has been notoriously unreliable from day one. I may or may not have kind of sort of burned the lens with some sparkage. But this is the new camera. It's not quite as high quality as the old camera as far as the picture, but I'm hoping it's going to be good enough. This one has begun to have popping and crackling problems, and it's not the mic, so anyway, tonight hopefully we are going to finish the air horn project, I hope, and we are going to be bidding the old camera adieu and try to film the rest of the episode on the new camera with the new tripod, which actually puts the camera to shame. But anyway, let's get to it. Like I was just saying about being unreliable, it just said that we were recording that whole time, and it didn't record it. Let's get to it. Alright. Got the crappy camera on this tripod because, I didn't want to mess around with it. If you're not familiar with what these are, it's an overpressure valve. So if for some reason the system gets overpressurized, it'll safety release down to where it's supposed to be. Not sure how often I'll look at a pressure gauge under my truck, but I need a cutty. Wow. I guess the rain's been getting in here because all my cutties are rusty. suppose I could turn this around so you can see it. Not sure how I want to set this up. Only got the one line on, or one fitting on this side, so I figured I'd use that for the compressor. Yeah, I suppose I could put these on over here. So this is my pressure switch. It's going to shut the tank off at, I think it's 200 psi. I don't remember. I'll have to look it up. Or I could read. So it shuts off at 200. It turns on at 170. So it's a pretty consistent time frame or pressure frame. All right. I think I'll make this the back. And I got more than enough line to run from here to the horns. So yeah, I'll mount that there. Come on. Rusty razor blades. Perfect cutting tool. I'm not sold that that one's sealed up, but we're going to test it out before everything's mounted. See, all these brass fittings are all tapered, so they get tighter the farther they go in, no matter what. The sealant is kind of a secondary precaution, airtight, but that sensor doesn't seem like it is tapered. So this is why I'm not convinced. Very important, the drain valve is on the bottom. This is not a pressure relief valve. This is a moisture evacuation valve. Air compressors build up water, and you need to get that water out of your system. And this is how you do it. We're going to see if my poor little battery charger can run this compressor. It's probably going to end tragically. Probably going to have to cap that line in some form or fashion. this works out. And I'm not saying it will. Scary noises. It says, hell no. I didn't really think it would, but... Alright, this is kind of like the ultimate in redneck engineering here. So, I'm going to go start the truck so we don't drain the battery. And if this works, I'm going to have to watch this gauge, because I don't have the pressure switch hooked up right now. And first I got to prop that tank up so I can actually see it. Yep. I'll put up on what? Yeah. Okay. Stick something behind my wheel so the truck don't roll either. Whew. Okay. Just past 120. When I get it up to 200, then shut everything down and listen for air leaks. It's about 190. I don't hear anything leaking. Nope. I don't hear anything leaking at all. Yay! Just to prove it has pressure in it. Emergency pressure switch. Oh, yep. That was pretty redneck with all the wire nuts. Alright. Test complete. So something just struck me. I drilled these holes so that the hardware could fit through. Anybody tell me what's wrong with that idea? The socket that needs to go on them. significantly larger. I am not done here. Probably gonna have to drill these out too. I should have just bought longer bolts and just bolted all the way through it. That would have been the smart thing to do. But I was trying to be cheap, not smart. Obviously. Oh. It's a good thing I'm pretty. That's a joke, by the way. Okay, let me go get stuff. I don't know how long the battery's gonna last on this. I wasn't planning on using it, so here goes. Ow. Very hot. Very hot. No. It's the biggest bit I have. Jesus. Really? Ow. I think I'm gonna have to use a die grinder, which if that's the case I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow, cause too damn loud. That piece of metal burned my eyebrow. Well, damn. Guess I'm gonna get up early and get to it, unless weather, you know, blah blah blah. Unless the weather doesn't allow it. That is not what I was hoping for. Well, I decided to go a different way and stop drilling these holes out like an idiot. So, I got some bolts. They're going to fit all the way through. And some really big fender washers. For now. I'll end up fixing it more securely later, but yeah, that's what we're going to do.
to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
was fun. Ooh! I just lost my recon. Alright, so one of those is I'm gonna pull the wire off the existing horn, connect it to that. That's gonna be the trigger for the air horn. And the other one is getting connected to basically run power. So, yeah. I suppose I should split them. One's going to keep going that way. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull the old horn off of here, because it sounds like it belongs on a Prius anyway. And then see if I can hook that wiring up down here, or if I got to go up top, or what's going to be it. Wiring. Alright, you guys aren't going to be able to see everything. You guys aren't going to be able to see everything, but I'll show you as much as I can. Alright, so the horn relay, is connected to these two. I had previously tested, and this line is dead. I think that's why there's a third one up there, but this one is not dead, and this is the one I'm going to connect, which is going to connect the horn button on the steering wheel to the air horn setup that we've been putting together. The wire is up here, and I can reach it, but I'm not going to be able to get the camera in there. So, just wanted to know what, or let you know what I'm doing. So, one thing I'm going to do is snip this off. Go with the horn for my buddy. Now the ground I'm not worried about, but if the power wire does happen to start working at some point, I'm going to wrap it up just in case. Alright. Now I'm going to use the heat gun to shrink the ends. I'm just going to go ahead and wire these, or tape these grounds all together too. Just make it nicer and cleaner. And we'll zip tie all these up together like they were before. There we go. Yay! Done under the front. Alright guys, while you weren't looking, I plugged in the key power for the system. It's hot out here. Man. Two flat washers, one lock washer, one nut, purple. Got a little lizard over here I just scared. He scared me too. Try to run away. Alright, all hardware accounted for. Now I just gotta mount that. Okay, so the horns mount on this surface here. Alright, so the horn came with these round butt connectors, whatever you want to call them. I don't have anything that'll connect to those anyway, so we're just going to snip those off. And we need to connect this wire, if you can see that. We need to connect this wire to one of these, which of course it's a little too short. Connect one of those and then ground this. So we're just about done. I think what I'll do is I'll unscrew this a little bit and we'll ground right there. Since it's already, you know, it's a nice, close, convenient fitting. So we'll get a little piece of wire, 2 butt connectors, 3 butt connectors, another little piece of wire, and something for the ground. Okay, be right back. Whew. Sweaty eyeballs they are. I'm gonna give this guy another shot. See if he can redeem himself. Alright, that's about it. All that's left is to connect that ground, which I need to grab an 8mm for. But everything else is done. Well, that and testing. There we go. Alright, test time. Well, I don't hear any leaks. I am concerned though because the pressure switch did not shut it off at 200 psi like it's supposed to. So I guess I'm going to have to reach out to the company on that one. I don't know if you heard it honk with the little default mic on there or not. If not, I'll honk it again later. But it scared everybody anywhere nearby, including me. Yeah. I guess other than that, take care. I love you. We'll see you next time. Bye. Well, apparently I won't honk it for you again, because something blew out.